Hey team, this is Coitt Kessler with DroneSense. I am a retired Austin firefighter and currently work as a customer success manager. I wanted to call out next week, which is Fire Prevention Week. That's October 8th through the 14th. It's very important that we talk about threats to our community and how we can prevent something from going horribly wrong. We're in severe drought conditions here, and you can see that we've got a lot of things laying around here, to include a tent, somebody living out here, and a fire. And I wanted to share a quick tip that could be helpful for next week and beyond. It lives in your pocket. It's your Android or your iPhone. Let's go over here and look at it. Okay, so what you're gonna be doing is take your device out of your pocket, Android or iOS. I want you to find that app that you've downloaded. Go to find your org that you're gonna be working out of, and then I'm going to follow that up with my PIN. Once I've gotten to that, you're going to see fly mission, training missions, and if you have streaming and tracking, it's going to be here on your lower right-hand side. I'm going to pick streaming and tracking. I'm going to make sure I'm flying within my mission and choose a device type and go. Now folks, you do not have to have mobile streaming and tracking for this to work for you, okay? But there are some real advantages to having MSAT or mobile streaming and tracking in that I can command exactly what it is that I am looking at with my camera. But for everybody else that is using their phones as a tracking device here, you can click on your markers. I'm gonna find a hazard. This is gonna be a fire hazard, and I'm going to drop that there right on top of my fire, so you can see where the orientation of my fire engine. I'm gonna click on the I for information, and you'll see now that I have coordinates built in. Those coordinates can be very valuable, folks, when you're trying to get this information back to maybe somebody that's handling community health or is working with the wildland division in your organization or your parks department. So this is an area in which we had set up a search. These are targets that have been dropped for identification, and this can be used again to help prevent any threats to your community. And that is our tip for Fire Prevention Week. Appreciate your time, and we'll see you on the next one.